With only 3 potatoes, he makes this recipe for a delicious breakfast. I'll start by grating 3 potatoes on the bigger side. Once the potatoes are grated, I will reserve them. In a bowl I will add 3 eggs. And I'll spice it up with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, a little finely chopped parsley, but if you don't like it you can skip it. And I will mix very well until the eggs break. Guys, today's recipe with potatoes that we are making, it is very easy to make and it is delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. When the eggs are well beaten, I will add the 3 grated potatoes that I had reserved. I will also add a tablespoon of wheat flour, common all use. And I will mix well until I get a mixture without lumps. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Dorea Bayo from Philippines, also for Rosalia Zavora from California, and Mire Telemac from New Jersey. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And so in this way we should be the mixture. In a frying pan I will add a little olive oil, and with a kitchen brush I will spread it over the pan. Once the oil is well sprinkled, I will add half of the mixture of eggs and grated potatoes, and spread it until it is very uniform. When it is so well uniform, I will add mozzarella cheese cut into pieces. Then I will add grated ham, spreading it very well in the pan. Finally, I will cover the cheese and ham with the rest of the mixture, just as I am doing. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love potatoes, to send you a very special greeting. Now I will cover and let cook over low heat for 15 or 20 minutes. Once this golden at the bottom, with the help of a plate, I will turn it over. And I will cover again, to let it cook over minimum heat for 10 minutes. And already our recipe today, with eggs and grated potatoes, is ready. Look how wonderful it has been, although I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the